Hey guys, in this video we will be learning how to do mixed tiling. Alright, let's get started. So for this function, you are required to upload your own texture. How do you upload your own texture? Let me show you. Come to your AiHouse main website. Alright, on top here, click on Business Center. Once you're in here, click on your product and then click on My. So over here you may see model, texture and customized tile, and this is where you upload all these things. Click on your customized tile, alright, and then select publish. So right over here you may upload your texture. Okay, so for the first one, upload a golden one. Okay, so just to let you know, for the mixed tiling settings there are three types. Alright, so the first one is the no mix tile, alright, the randomly mixed tile, and also the multi-bricks mixed tile. So I'll do one each. I'll show you. So I'll select the no mix tile first. Make sure you type in your details. Alright, so I'll make it a 800 by 800, your brand and your series, and also you may change the material properties right over here. So there are few to select. Alright, select the right one as you wish and then click on submit. Alright, so the first one I've already published it, the no mix tile. Second one I'll be doing let's go for blue. Alright, right now I'll be selecting a randomly mixed tile, so click in randomly mixed tile, 800 by 800. Alright, change your material if you need to. Same thing, click on submit. Alright, and the last one, publish one more time. Okay, so click and then select a multi-bricks mixed tile. Alright, so multi-brick 800 800. Okay, so for multi-brick mixed tiling, it's a little bit more special. You will need to add additional more images, alright, because it is going to mix up your tiles all together once you lay it. Alright, so I'll be using this one and then upload one more. Okay, once you're done, click on submit, and there you have it. This is where all your texture has been just uploaded. Alright, so come back to your design page. Okay, go to your My, okay, upload, and then click on your ceramic. Okay, so these are the three texture which you have just uploaded just now. Alright, so let me show you. For the first one is a no mix tile. Alright, so it will look something like that. It's placed all accordingly. It doesn't change the shape or size or anything. Alright, so right now for the second one, which is what's that called? A randomly mixed tile. Okay, so just paste it. So basically, as you can see, it's all randomly mixed. Alright, so for the last one, which is a multi-brick mixed tile. Okay, and when I paste on it, as you can see, I've actually uploaded three different types of tiling in this multi-brick. Alright, that's why you can see three different types of designs all mixed together. Alright guys, so this is how you do a mixed tiling. Good luck trying it.